Yorigo korekana itariki ya 29 umutinyu kianda kiro mwaka nigo Kennedy Ombaba achakirie beno murubirio umanyekanite buna Mary Kerubo Foundation eriyo kubakonya kubaringoria nabo ikokwena n'ubugweni guciase abarwaire abo bwate umuchando bw'Enkoro. Rituko rero umuteneneri bw'ekyombe kyo kya Mary Kerubo Foundation nabo igagati ababwatani banda bange niko bara umuyiga bogokora etarich kilomita 5 guchakira etauni ya Keroka gwikase skuru y'oboroso yagesaba kwa abwase abamenye kurwase ward ya Ichuni baikirana asobonge na gokorerwa uboringori na boigo ubugweni bwa bosa. Musa Kyoito Caroline Mausa na roboti oru asobwe memono.
Chitariki 29 cy'umutenyo kianda cya kero mwaka ne Rituko Ri'Ogochengera World Heart Day gose Rituko Ri'Ogochengera amangana y'Enkoro abo asekerenga kyo mwaka oyo gegoteba buna use heart for every heart.
Tiri no motomo kesana daringe monene esabato gachito biya ngokiri gento gale gokora biya niyo gatuigora maiso gotoro kingena ki uborwero bw'Enkoro ebo chirone bwensi abera abo mongina omogotu omwana omontomo n'umugaka usonde bwensi no musai muri wedi ngomuntu chire wesibi okolapse yokule umanya ko yose biye garanyolete
Unenjera ya moyo kolichengera Ritukeliga Kennedy Ombaba niga chakire omoroberio umanyekanite buna Mary Kerubo Foundation elikwena nabokonyi gotia sabaroire abo babwate uburwaire bw'Enkoro. Rituko rero nigo ababwatani abakobwaterana nere Kennedy Ombaba batwale tare nene ye kilomita 5 abose bachakere me town ya Keroka wikase sukuru y'oboroso yagesaba kwa eyegotoka me bunge ya Nyalibali Masaba elikora liana kobamanya abamenya abu igoro y'oburwaire obwo bw'Enkoro.
It's a foundation which was taught after the passing of my wife Mary Kerubo. So the purpose of the foundation is to raise awareness to people and inform them that heart health is very important. Actually, in Kenya, we are losing over 100,000 Kenyans due to heart-related issues. And then medics are saying that heart disease is a silent killer, #1. And therefore, without knowledge, you can collapse and die due to this. So the foundation has taught that it's important to raise awareness on matters to do with heart health so that our people will be in a position to understand and know the issue of heart. Once they know, we are partnered with hospitals, they will be able to find a chance to go and get medicated. That's why we are here, and this is the first ever we have ever done in our ward. Thank you, Mheshimiwa, for giving me the chance to host this and also to raise the occasion. So we are looking forward to have many more of these camps next year. And also apart from the camps, we raise awareness in schools. We go to schools, we tell them first aid, so that when someone collapses, how can they assist? Like this case of Mary Kerubo, if the learners had known how to do CPR, they could have managed at least maybe. But what we are saying, it's important to raise awareness. Homes, if someone collapses at home, what do? People don't know. And it's important for us to do that. Apart from that, we'll be doing walks, we'll be doing screening, we'll be doing runs, and also health camp. Those are the things we intend to do to Chirikiana County Government of KC, to Chirikiana private hospitals, other NGOs, and our leaders.
Weigo Kennedy niga tebire buna omoroberio yuno chikobago korekana kero mwaka abwase boigo bara chikoba gweta imechi sukuru na bego chinyagitari ao eliko basemia abamenye borogongorwa gusi na boigo kwena na obubwenie guchiase abaroire abo bwato mochando bw'Enkoro.
Mary Kerubo Foundation kero mwaka nabe gago kora igo night party na jinde esengi nyasaye tubekira moyo tomoteringa nyasaye we are alive esengi yao eto balibo mubata bayiko libabukoralite just muboka ni chasinga 6 to 8,000 a month ani tubatisha ani tubatibesa togokwera togotombera bona kike abanyitale kabara ko keja jo watanga na chane ero mogene munachi.
I'm happy that he thought out of the box, which is geared towards ensuring that creating the awareness of the campaign about heart health and also mental health. Starting especially in Nairobi, we have so many places of people that are taking online, and I think that this initiative will go a long way.
Inko ripotera Ensoko TV korwa imeye sukuru yo boroso ya Gesaba kwa igotoka imeye bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba kaunti ya Kisii elietaria ne Mausa Caroline